Hello friends, interested in ecotourism? Let's go to Sundargarh district in Odisha. Two lovely places, Tensa and Khandadhar, 437 km away from Kolkata. Road journey will take you around 9.5 hours. We traveled by Jan Shatabdi from Howrah station. 6.5 hours journey to Barbill. Tensa was another 1.5 hour drive from Barbill station. Map with tourist places. Right side peach colored area, hilly terrain of iron ore belt in Odisha and Jharkhand. Left pale yellow area, the plain land traversed by Brahmani river. Tourist places marked in green, iron ore mines in red. Noamundi station, gateway to iron ore mines of Tisco. The next station, that's our destination, Barbill. Tensa Nature Camp manager sent us a pickup vehicle to Barbill station. We continued with this vehicle for next 4 days. It was raining heavily. Tensa Nature Camp was 50-kilometer drive from mineral town Barbill. Scenic beauty on both sides of the road. We passed by parked or moving excavators, bulldozers and haul trucks of SAIL and Jindal Steel. District Sundargarh. We are nearing Tensa Nature Camp at an altitude of 2700 feet. Tensa Nature Camp. Love at first sight. What a lovely hill station. Just 1.5 hour drive from Barbill. Surprise awaited us. Upon arrival, we were greeted by an Aarti ceremony. Indeed, a beautiful place. The charming row of cottages blend harmoniously with the landscape. Each cottage, furnished with all modern facilities, boasts a private balcony. Just relax, enjoying the mystic view of the surrounding. It was raining continuously. After a good lunch with chicken curry and rice, we spent some time enjoying the gentle patter of raindrops from the cozy balcony of the cottage. The world seemed to slow down, a vibrant sea of greens intensifying their hues and glistening with the rain. Completely desolate place, far away from the nearby towns Rourkela and Barbill, an escape from the noise and stress of daily life. Well maintained dining hall with large glass windows. Enjoy your meal with nature. Food is simple but tasty. Early morning panoramic view from the tower within the camp. See the tapestry of green with a variety of trees and plants all around. After breakfast, we set off for a forest trail to enjoy this secluded place, offering a sense of solitude and tranquility. Rolling hills of iron ore and green meadows traversed by meandering rivers and waterfalls that make a magnificent frame of this valley. Reached a scenic place, Tehri Falls, on Tehri River. It was raining and we had to trek a little way down to the falls. What a beautiful view! Cascading water tumble down rocky outcrops, their melodious chatter joining the rain's cadence in a delightful duet. Tensa Nature Camp manager Porinoy Raut, just beside me, accompanied us on our hike through forest trail. We have come to iron ore belt of Odisha. So after Tehri, we moved to an iron ore mine. This geologically ancient place is blessed with very rich iron ore deposits. Soil in this region typically reflects iron content, often appearing reddish brown due to the iron oxide deposits. Heaps of crushed iron ore kept ready for washing. What a contrast between the mining operations and the natural beauty of Tensa Valley. Just mesmerizing. It seems to be a treasure trove of natural beauty. A small herd of goats roaming freely. Their presence in the serene meadow adding a delightful touch of rural charm to the landscape. After this small adventure, we pack up and came back to our camp due to heavy rain. With 2 days memory in our kitty, we left Tensa Nature Camp at the hilltop for Khandadhar at the foothills of Tensa. The journey started with a winding road that hugged the curves of the hillside. As we finally reach the flat land, the journey comes full circle. The hill's commanding presence in the rearview mirror recedes into memory, replaced by the openness of the plain land stretching to the distant horizon. After an hour's journey, we reached Khandadhar Nature Camp. Nestled in the heart of the wilderness, this nature camp is truly a hidden gem. The cozy, eco-friendly cottages and tents are strategically positioned to offer unobstructed views of Khandadhar Waterfall. The sound of the waterfall provides a soothing background melody. Inside decoration of a cottage with all modern facilities. Spectacular view from the balcony. দূরের পানে মেলে আঁখি কেবল আমি চেয়ে থাকি. With 800 feet fall, this Khandadhar waterfall is the 12th highest in the country, in front of the entry gate of Khandadhar Nature Park. After lunch, we took an exhilarating journey that combined the thrill of exploration with the beauty of nature. The path is a meandering ribbon through a pristine forest, carpeted with a lush undergrowth of ferns and wild flowers. To ascend the hill and go close to Khandadhar Waterfalls, we had to take the challenge of more than 800 stairs. Finally, we emerge from the forest onto a rocky outcrop, and there it is, the magnificent waterfall in all its splendor. The waterfall tumbles from a great height, its crystal clear water forming a glistening curtain that shimmers in the sunlight. The air is cool and moist, and the roar of the waterfall fills our ears, creating an immersive sensory experience. After spending some time in the presence of this waterfall, we started our descent, retracing our steps back to the camp. The journey back is an opportunity to reflect on the adventure, the beauty of the hill, and the memories created during this immersive experience with nature. Here is a delightful, quaint cafe that exudes warmth and character. From the rooftop of the cafe, an awe inspiring scene of a hilly landscape unfolds before you. The panoramic vista, hills, waterfall, and the lush greenery that surrounds them. Outside, a charming seating arrangement with the hills in the background. Enjoy with nature's grandeur. In the distance, the hills' rocky faces, weathered by eons of time, punctuate the landscape, their tips kissed by the wisps of passing clouds. Fourth day morning, planned to visit the confluence of Quil rivers, Vedbas temple and Hanuman Vatika. On way to Darjeeling, a picturesque place at the meander loop of Brahmani River. The place is 50 kilometers away from Khandadhar camp and close to Raurkela. Picturesque river loop, framed by lush meadows, trees, and hills. A hidden gem waiting to be discovered by those seeking solace and connection with the great outdoors. River's tranquil water mirrors the soft hues of the sky. Next, we move to the confluence of Shan and Quil rivers, 5 kilometers from Darjeeling. Confluence of Shan and Quil. These two rivers meet Brahmani. It's a very holy place. Vedbas temple is situated here. As per Hindu mythology, Vedbas wrote the epic Mahabharata at this place. Our last destination, Hanuman Bhatika, another magnificent temple a few kilometers away from Vedbas temple. After spending some time here, we started winding our way back to resort. Sun started its gentle descent. We were nearing the camp. Golden hour bathes the scene in a warm, soft glow. Symphony of colors in the sky. Next morning, one last view of Khandadhar nature camp. Now listen to the camp manager's view.
मैं अविनाश छोटरा हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजर उड़ीसा इको टूरिज्म उड़ीसा सरकार के अंडर में मैं काम करता हूँ। ये जो अपना यहाँ पे नज़ारा देख रहे हैं ये वनांचल परिवेश पर्यटन का एक उपभोक्ता का एक उदाहरण है, जहाँ पे ये इसको बोला जाता है नेचर कैंप, जो प्रकृति निवास, जो कि यहाँ पे आदमी जो आते हैं अपना प्रकृति के साथ कुछ समय बिताते हैं कि जी कुछ पल इसके साथ मिलते हैं, क्योंकि प्रकृति आजकल दुनिया में बहुत अहमियत रखता है। प्रकृति है तो दुनिया है। प्रकृति।
Thank you, Avinash Babu. Before bidding farewell to Khandadhar, captured the last photo of this place to cherish the memories. On the way to Barbill station, passing through Kalta iron ore mines of Sale, iron ore mines of Kalta, didn't miss any opportunity to capture the beautiful landscape. Reached Barbill station for Jan Shatabdi. It was late by a few hours. Empty platform, bathed in the mellow afternoon lights. The echoing silence, occasionally interrupted by distant announcements and the faint hum of approaching trains. It is time to reminisce and to plan the next adventure. Before saying goodbye, some important informations regarding these tourist places. Please tell us, how do you like the story? Need motivation through your response. Thank you, friends.